The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say respect to each and everyone. Now, there is reports of a security guard that had been fired due to a video that went viral on social media. This video shows of a man that worked for the company that is known as Gaurd's man spinning a gun on, or you could say with his fingers. Now, some people on social media call the act a reckless act, viewers and subscribers, but I'm going to show you the video so that you can have a better understanding for yourself, and you can also tell me what you think, and we can talk a little bit more about the video after I show you the video. But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
Yeah, blow. Yeah, Billy the Kid. Yeah. Billy the Kid. Oh, you mean? You done? Go on. A video.
Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video showing of the man spinning a gun on his fingers. Now, in proper English, they would say that he spun the gun on his fingers. In Jamaican Creole language, they would say him spin the gun on him finger. Now, if you listen to the video, you will hear someone say Billy the Kid in the video. Now, in my point of view, where I could be right or I could be wrong, but it would seem as if that they call this video or the person in the video Billy the Kid on social media due to what had been said in the video. Now, there's also a report that the man that was seen in the video spinning the gun on his fingers, his permit to carry a firearm has been confiscated. Now, bear in mind that there might be more to this whole thing where the security guard had been fired due to a video that went viral on social media that shows of the man spinning a gun on his fingers, or you can say with his fingers. But I'm going to leave it right here, viewers and subscribers, and you can also tell me what you think. Alright, I don't know me Dancehall Skilla, they have to keep you up to date and post it, make you know what I go on. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?